Hey, what's up YouTube? Today we're talking about the Mustang Mache, and I've got great news for you Mach-E owners. If you just bought your Mach-E and you're worried about protecting the front end of your car from rock chips, bug guts, or anything else like that, I've got some really great news. As you can see, this is our brand new Mustang Mache, and we've already done a front grille mod, which you can see right here. This is a premium, but we did the GT front grille modification. That protects this front end from chips, rocks, and all that sort of thing. But what about the hood? Something like right here. Do you guys see that? We picked up a little rock chip, and I can see metal on the bottom there. And normally a metal rock chip turns into rust, and rust sucks, especially on a brand new car. This car has 4,000 kilometers on it. And if you see my other video where I was trying to put this wrap right here on the car, you know that the wrap failed miserably. I was trying to protect the hood and the wrap failed. I was trying to save some money, do things myself. But in the process, I did discover something. Check this out. GamsGo. Are you paying too much for Netflix, Spotify, Disney Plus, Crunchyroll, Duolingo, Canva, or Adobe? GamsGo has you covered with premium shared subscriptions for a fraction of the price directly from the distributor. Yes, GamsGo is the shared premium experience that you've been looking for that saves a ton of money. I personally use GamsGo for my Netflix, my Spotify, my Disney Plus, and my Crunchyroll subscriptions, and I have saved tons of money by switching to GamsGo. Switching to GamsGo is as easy as clicking the link in the description or up in the title card, which will take you to the main GamsGo website. Select the services that you're looking for and buy them. But to show you how easy it is, we're gonna take 30 seconds and we're gonna sign up for Netflix. So we've clicked the affiliate link and I'm gonna click purchase now on Netflix. Now we have an option to buy 3 months or 6 months. I'm gonna buy a 6-month membership. I'm gonna say activate auto renewal because you don't wanna miss out anyway. Now in my case, I only need one profile. That means that I get one of the 5 included shared profiles with my Netflix account, and I can install it on one device in my home. Do you have multiple devices in your home? You might want to switch to the 5 profiles option, which also unlocks multiple devices so that you can use all of your profiles across multiple devices. But in my case, one profile is plenty. Now, this is the most important step. It's gonna say, do you have a promo code? Yes, I do. And the promo code is GEARS. We're gonna apply our promo code and it's gonna say, this is a valid promo code. We're gonna click to go to payment, and then we're gonna enter in all of our details. This is a one-time payment of just $21.26. That is crazy cheap for premium Netflix on one device with one profile. I'm going to pay now. I'm gonna enter my credit card information, and that's it. Once you've paid, you get immediate access to Netflix, and it's as simple as logging into your GamsGo account, getting the username and passkey, and then going to legit Netflix. Now it's gonna immediately say, well, who is this? Now I am account number 3, Gears and Tech, and it's gonna ask for my PIN code because I locked this down. Once I have my PIN code in, now instantly I am in the full premium Netflix experience. This gives me HD Netflix, I can download it, and it's that simple. And it works the same on all your other favorite streaming platforms. This is truly an amazing deal, you don't wanna miss it. Click the link down below to grab your deal. These are tools typically used when you're putting a wrap on a car. So you put that on, it'll hold the wrap in place. They're magnetic and they hold it. But watch what happens when I try to stick this on the hood. Falls off. It's actually not sticking at all. Also, the side panel, watch this. It also falls off. If I go to the door, it sticks to the door, sticks to the A-pillar, no sticking to the hood. That's because the hood and the front fenders are made out of aluminum. That means that even though I've picked up that tiny little rock chip right there, it's not a big deal because aluminum doesn't rust. Now, I would like to protect the hood still, and I'm going to. We're gonna be doing a ceramic coating on here to try and help it out a little bit. Maybe I'll pay somebody to do a front clear 3M protectant on there. But that made me wonder, what else on this car is aluminum? They didn't really advertise it as aluminum, so let's check what else doesn't stick to the magnet. So no surprise, your front bumper is not gonna stick with a magnet. We've already tested the side panel. It's not magnetic at all. Obviously the door here is not, or the charger door. Now this door panel is definitely magnetic. The mirror, not. A-pillar, we already discovered, those are magnetic. And that goes all the way up to back here, which takes us to the rear quarter panel, which are magnetic as well. The back door, is it magnetic? Yes, it is. Is the back hatch magnetic? Let's find out. No. No, it is not. The back hatch is also aluminum, and the rear spoiler is plastic. That's plastic and that's glass. Of course, the wheels are aluminum. Doesn't stick to the wheels. We already saw the rear quarter panel, but the rear bumper, again, I mean, it's plastic. Of course, it's not gonna stick to that, but the back hatch also, it doesn't stick to that either. Before we get too far into this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel down below. If you've seen some of our content already and have not subscribed, we want you to join our community. Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let's get back to the video. So great news for you Mach-E owners. Actually, it turns out only the doors and the A and the C pillars and the rear quarter panel back there are the only metal parts on the car. The very back end, either plastic or aluminum, and the front end also either plastic or aluminum. So your car is actually going to hold up well over time. The only risk, potentially, if you've seen Ford's, the old Expeditions, they have, it looks like rot or craft, but it's really the paint's peeling off of the aluminum. So we will find out if Ford figured out a way to treat the aluminum better and still have the paint stick to it. But great news for those Ford owners who are worried about protecting your car. Very little of your car is actually going to be rusting. Hey, thanks for watching all the way to the end of this video. We hope you enjoy the content in this video, and we'd love to have you come back. Consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already. And for those subscribers who are looking for that extra special thing that you can do to support this channel, consider joining our members group. That's where we're building this community, the Gears and Tech community, where we can all enjoy content together. You'll get special perks, which we'd love for you to check out by clicking the link down below. For those of you who are just happy to watch the video, that's okay too. You can check out some of our other content right over here, where we've got some previous videos that have already been uploaded and enjoyed by many of our viewers already. We do hope to see you again. This has been Gears and Tech. Have a great day.